Good day, everyone. I've encountered a problem. The faucet on my gas stove won't turn, or it's difficult to turn. This means it needs lubrication. I have a Hotpoint Ariston stove, so I'm starting to disassemble it. I start by removing the faucets. They come off easily. I press them with 2 fingers and pull them toward me. There's a special spring inside, so don't lose it. Now, using a screwdriver, I unscrew the 2 mounting screws on the housing. Now, the housing needs to be moved to the left. This is how I remove it. I'll warn you that before disassembling, you need to turn off the gas at the inlet and de-energize the stove. Now I remove all the terminals from their contacts, and it's a good idea to clean everything of any dirt afterwards. And here's the faucet that doesn't turn. Unlike other gas stoves, this one doesn't have a locking ring. The faucet is held in place by 2 screws, and they need to be unscrewed. I unscrewed the top screw without any problem, but the bottom one is stuck. The screw head is twisted and can't be unscrewed with a screwdriver. What should I do? There's a solution. Heat the screw head with a soldering iron for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, I'll need a screwdriver and unscrew it counterclockwise. I use a 4mm tile drill bit. Then I unscrew it with a screwdriver. I removed the piezo element and set it aside. The faucet plug is stationary and difficult to remove. To remove it, I sprayed it with Zardo or VD. Next, I heated the plug with a soldering iron for 5 to 10 minutes. And, using a screwdriver, I removed the faucet plug by touching it like this. The faucet plug is cone-shaped and needs to be lubricated with graphite grease. But, before lubricating, the plug needs to be thoroughly cleaned of old grease and dirt. The faucet seat also needs to be cleaned. I spray Zardo or VD. I wrap a little rag around the screwdriver and clean the seat of old grease and dirt. I also clean the faucet plug, spray it with Zardo, and wipe it in a circle with a rag. Next, carefully lubricate the faucet plug in a circle with graphite grease. Next, I return the faucet plug to its original position. I spin it and lap it in. It now rotates freely. The plug should be in the same position I removed it with the cutter. Next, I reinstall the stem with the spring and the piezo element in their original position. I've already tightened 2 screws. Now I install the plastic jumper. Now let's check how the faucet handle works. It rotates properly and gas flows. Now let's test the gas stove. I had a power outage, so I lit it with a match. All 4 burners work perfectly. That's all for now. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you can't handle it yourself, call the gas company and they'll help you. Goodbye.